Hi guys, so I'm back. As you can see here, that the boost converter I mentioned before. So right now I use that for my power bank. So as you can see here, I have the one copper. I mean now, yeah, one copper, solid copper, and then I have the fuse wire both sides, you can see. And then as you in here, I upgrade the dual MOSFET and channel like that. As you can see, it's two pieces, one at the bottom and one at the top. So as you can see here, and then here the boost converter. So I have 3 amps at 5 volts output, and a charger, micro USB charger, and the IC number is TP4056 IC. So input at 5 volts and then 1 amp. So in this one I put the resistor to a maximum charging system. So as you can see over there, that's the negative data, and then that's the positive data. As you can see, I put the wire here and go to here in the positive of the module, charging module, and then the negative goes to the charging module, and then the output, instead I put here, I saw the trace in here, it goes here, so that's my negative, go to the boost converter, and then the positive goes to the boost converter too. And then here, instead I put the wire, positive wire here, I put in the diode, in the capacitor, so you can see, because I saw on the trace, see that, that's the trace, the red trace goes to the capacitor, so that's why I put here instead in here, so less wire. And then here, over there, here, that one is the wire from the output, so direct to here in the shield of the USB. So you can see over here, that one, yeah, yep, that one. Then I'm gonna do a test load, so I use this another module of TP4056 module. So I put the trimmer instead of the stock 1.2K resistor. So I put the trimmer. Then I'm gonna use the tester here. I'm gonna put the tester inside the USB. Then a micro USB wire here. I'm gonna put that here. As you can see, I have 5 volts, 5.11 volts at 0.99 amps. I can do that. See what, now it's 1 amp. I can do that like, like 500 milliamps by adjusting this knob. Now I charging around 500 milliamps to my 18650 battery, so the IC not gonna get more hot. Or you can charge that at 100 milliamps. There you go, 100 milliamps. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like my video for this power bank. I hope you like it. Please share and subscribe. Stay tuned to my next video. I will see you next time guys. Bye bye, peace out.